All right, for this question, we're going to be using a personal loan calculator. So personal loans can be calculated using the personal loan payment calculator, which is in your book on page 292, and also in your workbook here. And it looks like this. It's got personal loan calculator, monthly payment per $1,000. It's got the interest rate on the side, the left side, and then the term in years, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's only good for a 5-year loan. And then it's got number amounts based on which interest rate. So for example, if you were at a 4% interest rate and you're doing a 4-year loan, you would go over to here, and that means that would be $22.58 per month per $1,000. Per $1,000. So if you were having a $2,000 loan for 4 years at 4%, would be $22.58 times 2, because there's $2,000. $3,000 would be times 3. $4,000 times 4. If you're dealing with in-between amounts, that's how we're going to look at the example today. So, Mr. Howell wants to buy a brand new yacht for his 2 boys to explore the sea. The yacht costs $13,543.75, purchased from Big Broken Boats Incorporated. He has to take out a 5.25% loan over 5 years. So if I'm looking at the loan calculator right here, 5.25% for 5 years, which is the maximum one over here, he's going to be paying $18.99 per $1,000 for every month. Remember, this is compounded monthly. So 5.25, $18.99 per month. So the first thing we have to do is figure out, well, how many per $1,000 are we going to be dealing with here? So first, we need to calculate 13,543.75. Divide that by 1,000. Okay, you can use a calculator if you want. And you should get 13.54. See what happens when you're doing without a calculator. You just know that you're dividing by 1,000. So 1, 2, 3 decimal places. So I get 13.54. And that is how many thousands of dollars are in $13,000, right? That's how many thousands of dollars are in 13. Now what we have to do is we have to go to our loan calculator like we did. We had 5.25% for 5 years is 18.99 per month. Per month per $1,000. So I have 13.54. I got to multiply that by my 18.99. And that'll give me my monthly payment times 18.99. So my monthly payment is $257.19. $257.19. Okay? That's how much I'm going to be paying every month for my yacht for 5 years. So then the second question says calculate the monthly payments and how much he will pay in total for his new yacht. So the second thing, they want to know how much in total I'm going to be paying. So you got $257.19 per month. We times that by 12 months for a year, and we times that by 5, because 5 years. So I times that by 12 months, I times that by 5, and I get $15,431.75. 15,431, 15,431 and 75. So you can see right away, okay, so 13,543 to 15,431. So if I get a loan, and this is what happens in real life, if you get a loan, you're going to be paying more than what you would be paying outright for the thing, because you're spending it over a number of years and you're borrowing money from somebody. Okay, so that's how that works. Basically with the loan calculator, figuring out what your interest rate is, figuring out what your term is in years, and then taking the value and multiplying it by how many thousands of dollars you have. By how many thousands of dollars. So the first thing you have to do is take the full amount, divide by 1,000 to figure out how many thousands of dollars there are, times that by your loan amount per month to get your monthly payment. This is your monthly payment. And then finally, you can multiply that by your number of years to get your total.